Hello and welcome to Sun Biology class. Friends, today we shall discuss about the genetic map. A genetic map is simply a representation of the distribution of a set of loci within the genome. The simplest genetic map can contain information on as few as 2 loci, whereas at the opposite extreme the complete physical map shows the precise location of thousands of genes along an entire chromosome. Actually, there is 3 types of genetic map. Number 1, linkage map. Number 1, linkage map or recombination map, or recombination map. Number 2, chromosome map. Number 2, chromosome map or cytogenetic map. Cytogenetic map. And number 3, physical map. And number 3, physical map. Linkage map was first to be developed soon after the rediscovery of Mendel's work at the beginning of 20th century. Such type of genetic map is based on recombination frequency. Linkage map can be constructed for only those loci which occur in 2 or more heritable forms known as alleles, but not for monomorphic loci which has only one allele. For example, those are present in the Y chromosome. Linkage maps can be generated by counting the number of offsprings that receive either parental or recombinant allele combination from a parent that carries 2 different alleles at 2 or more loci. From the analysis of such type of data, one can determine whether the genes are linked or not. If linked, it will allow us to determine their order of arrangement and the distance that separate them. In linkage map, the relative distance between different genes are arbitrarily expressed as map unit. One map unit is equal to 1% crossing over. 1% crossing over. The map distance is also expressed as Morgan units. And 1 Morgan is equal to 100% crossing over. So 1% crossing over is equal to 1 centimorgan, and 10% crossing over is equal to 1 decimorgan. Second type of genetic map is chromosome map, which define all chromosomes based on their size and bending pattern. Ultimately, all chromosomal assignments are made either by direct cytogenetic analysis or by linkage to a locus that has previously been mapped in this fashion. Third type of genetic map is physical map, which is based on the direct analysis of DNA. A physical map depicts the precise location of thousands of genes along an entire chromosome. In such type of map, the physical distance within or between loci is expressed as base pair or kilobase pair or megabase pair. Physical map is arbitrarily divided into short range and long range. short range and long range. Short range physical mapping is pursued over regions which are up to 30 kilobase pair. This is also the approximate size of a gene as well as a clone DNA inset derived from a cosmid-based genomic library. Direct long-range physical mapping is performed over megabase size regions by using rare cutting restriction enzymes together with different methods of electrophoresis. Similarly, long-range physical mapping can also be performed over the clone DNA inset which are obtained from genomic library based on yeast artificial chromosomes. So friends, this is about different types of genetic map. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.